Hello everyone. Today we are going to do prediction using supervised machine learning on R. So first we have to install some libraries like readxl, tidyverse, reshape, lattice. For that we can do install it from tools and here install packages, and one by one we can type and select the package and type install here to install the packages. I have already installed it, so I won't install it again. I will directly run the library function. Now we are going to add our data from the local to R studio. As we can see here, our data is added. Now the next step is view data. So we can view the data. There are R's column and there is a score column, and there are 25 rows. The next step is importing necessary libraries like tidyverse, reshape2 and lattice that will help us to do the prediction and analysis of our data. Now we are going to check if there are any missing values or null values in our data. For that we will going to run this function. As we can see, our data has 0 null values or missing values, so we will proceed ahead. Now we have plotted our mm, uh, values or data in a graph, score versus R's. So as we can see, a linear relationship between them, but we will further include a line and see how close the dots or points are to the regression line. As we can see that most of the lines data are close to our regression correlation line. That means they are highly correlated to each other. Now the next step is we can see here we uh, check the correlation between them by correl data, and we can see that it is 1 and 0.98. That means they are highly correlated to each other, R's and scores. Next we will check through a heat map that how much correlated the data are. We will plot it. As we can see, here is the range of the heat map, and we can see that they are highly correlated, R's and scores 0.98. Next we will check now we have to predict the score of a person who is studying for 9.2825 hours. So for that we are going to make a data frame for this 9.25 hours. Now we are going to run a linear regression on our training data set. the summary. And here we can see that our model is the R square value is 0.9529 and the adjusted R square is 0.9509. So this means that, and our p value is less than 0.05, so that means it's highly significant and uh, correlated to each other, and our model is giving 95% accuracy. Now this is the model that we are going to create to predict the score, observational model. The 2.4837 is the coefficient value. After that, 9.758 is the R coefficient, and with that we will multiply the 9.25 R, the observation value that we need to see. So the predicted score will be 92.90985. If a person is studying for 9.25 hours, so he will be getting 92.90 or 92.91% score in his exam. Now we will do this prediction if someone else is studying with our linear model, with the data frame that we have created previously. And we can see that our model predicts the same value as the observational value. So that means that our model is accurate, and we can use this model to predict the score of a student with respect to its hours of studying. Thank you so much.